Sparky Sparks here. Oh my goodness, I have new hair. This is by Hair You Wear. This is Raquel Welch, and the style is called Showrunner, and the color Honey Ginger. Oh my goodness. Now, the special and unique thing about this is the sheer luxury collection. These fibers are hollow like straws, which make them more lighter in lighter weight and more like human hair. So look at this. Just gorgeous, right? Just beautiful. Gorgeous coloring, gorgeous style, just so good. So this is, check out the hairline. So impeccable. I'm really close here. If somebody's this close, they're not thinking about your hairline, right? We always think about that. So here we go. This is, again, Showrunner by Hair You Wear. And this is from their new, these are the new fibers from their sheer luxury collection. So nice. Let's look on the inside because you always like to take a tour of the inside. So here we go. We're going to take off the cap. Now, this is amazing, this cap. Let's look inside. First of all, we have a fully hand-tied cap, and you can see how sheer it is. On the front, we have all lace here that goes from temple to temple. We have silicone ear tabs. These keep it really close to my head and they don't flop up. So it just gives a nice hug. Also here in the back, right here at the nape. So it's gonna just hug your head. Now, if you don't have any hair, I think this is gonna be very comfortable on your head. And you're not gonna think about wearing a cap, obviously, because this is gonna hug your skin. Just absolutely gorgeous. We've got the traditional little adjusters back here so you can make it tighter. This is, I'm about 21.5 head circumference, and this fits me so well. This is an average cap. So love, love, love. And not too long. We're gonna keep an eye on how these fibers do with tangling. Synthetic fibers usually tangle, but these are the new luxury fibers. So these are hollow, and of course they don't look hollow, and they don't feel hollow. They feel like human hair, so soft. I'd challenge you to just tell this, the difference between this and human hair. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. So let's put her back on. Now for my new wig wearers, remember, we're gonna hold the tag in the back here, and we're gonna put our forehead here in the front. And we're just gonna put our forehead in, and we want this lace front right here to land right at our eyebrows so that we can adjust it after that. So we're gonna do that, land it here, and pull it back, and flip up. So pretty, so pretty. And then I'm using the ear tabs to adjust. And the ear tabs just go right next to my temples here. See how really nicely that looks? Lays super flat. Adjust the back. And here we go. Just gorgeous. Just absolutely stunning. I think a little half up, half down might be in order for today, or even a ponytail. Now, let me show you the density here on this ponytail, because you've seen me in Belinda that has a very low density. This isn't super low. It has some hair to it. So if you are a gal who has really fine hair, this is probably gonna feel like a lot of hair to you, but it is gorgeous. It's super lightweight. It seems to be doing just fine. I've had her on all morning, and I'm just loving, loving, loving the look, the style, all that. So let's do some housekeeping. We didn't do that at first because I was so excited to share this with you. Please subscribe to my channel. You just push the subscribe button. It's down here or in the description. Also, my website is there. There's gonna be lots of new things coming this year in 2025. I've got a lot of plans for you, some really neat surprises that'll be coming. So join me at my website, subscribe to my newsletter as well, and then you'll be informed. That's really new, so I'm still working the bugs out on that. But we'll get there. Please comment if you have any comments, whether it's good or bad. If you don't like this color on me, tell me. You don't like the long hair, tell me. I'd love to know. I resist the notion of age appropriate. I just had a discussion with one of my friends about being age appropriate. We all believe, not we all, but a lot of us believe that you can wear any length of hair at any age. So I would encourage you, if you feel like wearing long hair, wear long hair. If you want to wear short hair, wear short hair. We were talking about ways to be supportive of friends, and one way is not to judge their hair or judge their wig, just simply saying, I like that hairstyle on you. And to remember that this is not a commitment. This is an affair with hair. We are simply, you can take this off if you don't like it, or you don't like it in the mood for this evening, you could take it off, or in 2 seconds, you decide I'd rather have short hair. That's really a benefit for wigs. Also, the other thing we talked about last night were that I can take my wig off to cook. So if I'm cooking up a storm, or I want to go to bed and I've been having long hair on all day, I can take it off and not be all tangled up in it. So choices, I think that's the biggest thing that wigs give you. Think about it. Think about a wig. Join me, subscribe, and watch. I'm so close to my goals of really being a solid person here and a presenter here on YouTube. So I need watch time. Please share this video with people that you might need some encouragement to try a wig. It's scary at first, and I'm here to give you courage and permission to be your best self. You're the best, and I will see you next time. Thanks for joining me.